Have you ever heard about a star-nosed mole? No? Okay, let me tell you about it in this video. A star-nosed mole is surely one of the weirdest looking animals and world's fastest eater. If you were to come face to face with one, you might think its head had been replaced by a tiny octopus. And for an animal that is nearly blind, the American species is astonishingly speedy. It can find and gobble down an insect or worm in a quarter of a second. It is one of two animals in the world known to smell underwater by blowing air bubbles and sucking them back into its nose. I can hear you asking yourself, why do moles have star nose? Well, the answer is simple. It's to survive in the dark environment. The poor-sighted mole relies on the 22 fleshy appendages called rays. Each of the 22 appendages that make up the star is completely covered with tiny papillae known as Eymer's organ. These appendages are not used in grasping, nor is the nose used to detect odors. Is the star then simply ornamental? No, it has a highly specialized function. Just below its surface lie 25,000 touch-sensitive receptors that form the star surrounding its node, armed with 100,000 nerve endings crammed into an area roughly the size of a human fingertip. The rays are unique to this species and give it the most sensitive touch organs in the animal kingdom. By comparison, an entire human hand has about 17,000 nerve endings. So, what is the benefit of its ray? The ray can touch as many as 10 different objects in a single second, writhing like tentacles as the mole searches through mud for insects, worms, and other prey. The animal can identify individual prey in less than 0.2 of a second and then determine in just 8 milliseconds whether or not it is edible. If you want to know more about the star-nosed mole, stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye. Have you ever